Welcome to SEO Basics 2018, Beginner Training. My name is Arno Burger and I'm a certified educational instructor with more than a decade's experience in the field of marketing and business development. I've worked with companies big and small on the formulation and execution of various marketing strategies and initiatives. Now, I want to share that knowledge with you and equip you with the tools you need to reach your goals. In this course, you will master the fundamentals of SEO and keyword research to improve your search engine rankings and ensure your clients find you when they search for you online. The end goal of this course is to give you a solid understanding of modern SEO terms and strategies, the knowledge and ability to use tools to drive visitors to your site, and utilize search engines to your advantage. Upon completing this course, you will understand how search engine optimization works, what drives visitors to one site over another, how to design and structure web content, how to measure success, and what kind of keywords you should be using for peak site performance. So, if you're a startup, small business owner, entrepreneur, blogger, or simply someone who is ready to take a proactive approach regarding the success of your business, I invite you to join me in this course. Sign up today and let's get started.